what's up guys, Daniel from OddBot here, and I had kind of a fun idea. So in front of us we have the JG Aurora Magic, which is based off the Ender 3. It's not a full kit, it's a semi-kit, and I've built plenty of these, so it's really no challenge to me to build one of these, and I assume that most people, it's not too difficult to put one of these together, but we've got my girlfriend Erin here today, who is going to try to assemble it, and she's going to try to do most of the things on her own, but I will be here, obviously, to point her in the right direction. But she does know a bit about 3D printing, but she's certainly never had to build one before, so I figured it'd be kind of fun to see just how easy / difficult it really is to, from opening the box up to putting it together and all the stuff in between. So, without further ado, here she goes.
Okay, guys.
Anything you'd like to say?
Good job, babe.
No. You. So, how was this experience?
Stressful at the beginning.
Okay.
For me, definitely. I was hot and bothered.
Classic.
But, I mean, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Okay.
So that's good. And I had help.
Do you think that if I had not been here, you could have done it?
I
honestly,
don't think if you were here, I wouldn't want to do it.
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't care for it. But I mean now...
That's not the question. The question is, if I had not been here and let's say you were stranded somewhere and the only way to make resources was with this printer, this JGMaker Magic, could you put it together, you think?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You heard it here, folks. Cool. Any advice for anybody that is building their first machine, kind of like this one, that you've learned from this? Like, any tips?
Tips would be look at all the bags, all the directions, see if they are labeled, then see if the directions are in English. Look at the pictures, make sure you have all of your tools that you need, make sure you have all your parts that you need, and just have patience.
I'd say patience is key.
Yeah.
And water.
And water.
And lots of water.
And a fan in the far distance.
And a fan in the far distance. Exactly. Oh, it's a box in a box. Cool.
I want to say so bad.
It's funny. Oh, don't. Well, there we go. It's like already less intimidating. There you go.
Okay.
Now it's cute.
So cute. Watch yourself.
Yeah.
These.
Parts to put it together. And accessories.
Interesting.
Let me see. Let's see what it came with. So there's like tools, belts, a USB cable, some filament. It's not that much stuff. An end stop. It's not too bad. Made in China. If you didn't know, now you know. There you go. And just set it off to like the side maybe. Let's see, just put a little bit. Oh, this one might be a little bit more of a kit than, I mean, it's definitely not a kit, but like there's pieces look a little less assembled than I'm used to. So we got some motors. We got some more aluminum. We got a stepper motor.
Ooh.
We've got, this is going to be your extruder. And I think that's it.
Okay.
Really? It's not that much. Okay. They did it pretty, like, it's pretty tight, so.
Alright, okay.
Okay, and then I'd remove this guy.
Wires will be
I've done similar before where I'm like, oh yeah, I'm fine, and I'll cut off the cable and be like,
damn it. Okay.
it's too bad we don't have like a little X-Acto to slice it with. We got like, you cut the, we didn't cut the cable,
No,
you?
no.
You cut the sleeve. It's alright, that's the worst thing that happens when we're in pretty good shape. Yep. I'll if you just want to slice. Careful. That's probably good.
Oh, mine was way better.
Oh yeah, the top on this one it looks pretty nice. I saw it in photos.
It's just so tightly wrapped.
I know. It's better because like these bars get scratched really easily in shipping. So it's nice. Like it's nice that they wrap them because it sucks when you unlock them when you open them and there's all sorts of silver scratches on them. So I'd rather them do it like that. I don't know what all this shit is though. Maybe it's for.
Oh.
Is that the?
Something just like
threaded rod
rolled out of it. Alright. Ugh, even this one is wrapped. Look at that.
Yeah, that's actually like a super important part. On some printers, those will come bent, and if that comes bent, then your printer.
I saw the one machine.
Yeah. The one that I was rolling on the table and it lifted. Yeah. If it comes bent, then it's not gonna work. You have to either get a new one or fix them.
Pain.
To get off?
Yeah.
I can help with that.
It's severely wrapped.
I think usually on this one, if you get a part of it, it should start to.
There would be two pictures of the same thing.
Oh wait, is it in English? Yeah, it's in English. We're looking at the fucking Chinese one. Oh my god.
Well, I mean, you were just like, oh, these are.
Well, yeah,
the
but
first
like
part.
I didn't even realize that it opened. I thought it was just the
Okay.
front and back.
Package list.
Yay.
Toolbox kit.
Okay.
That just. Was it this one?
Yep.
Yes.
So so in order to get that thing to turn, push down while you're turning it. So that way it's. You get what I'm saying? Like.
Stays in there.
Yeah. Oh, is it already tight?
It is now.
Okay, undo it. So like you can actually look. So undo it and look at that nut in there. It hasn't turned. So unscrew that. There you go. I'll do the first one on this one. I'll you do the second one. So I'm just gonna slide it through that hole. Clamp down. Okay. Nailed it. Jesus.
Yeah, there we go.
It's hotter than shit in here.
I am so warm. You want some water?
Yes,
Give me
please.
some water, okay.
Oh my god. That, and there's that part.
Ah, there. See, this is what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for, not this part.
Yeah, well, look at the photo.
I'm sorry.
Alright, and then that part.
Okay, this part.
Yep. And then the belt.
And the belt.
Okay. Ramma Jamma goes on like that. Okay, and so then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this side around, and there should be little slots. Flip it. Yeah, so like, right on that? Yeah. So this right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
And
Alright.
then your side, do the same thing. It should pull, yeah.
Seems like a loose skull.
No, it is, but that's what the other part's for. This tightens it. So that part, it goes like that.
Okay.
Sit down for now. And then I'm going to loosen this. Is this the right size? Perfect. So I'm going to loosen these guys again. And then what this does is this is a belt tensioner. So this guy goes like this. It slides in on this side. So I put the nuts like that, and then it goes in the end, and then this goes around this. So
Oh,
yeah.
That makes sense.
So those on the bearings, and then all I do now is I use my thumb to push it outwards, so that way it gets tension. Yep. And then I use this guy and just tighten it. Just push down, so that way it turns that nut. Yeah.
It's not gonna come flinging off.
Well, it's better than me dropping the whole part. That should be fine. Okay, so now it's got tension, and so now like when the motor were to turn, it'll make the head move back and forth like that.
Cool.
So we are done with step 2. Yay! Step 3. Actually, they're not even numbered. They don't even give you that.
They're just pictures.
Next. All right. So the next step step in English, because we're on the right page now, is, okay, so we need the Z-axis motor, they call it the Z-axis motor suite.
Sweet.
But it looks like this, and that is a motor.
Yes.
That looks right.
That way.
I don't know, it doesn't say.
Well, now I'm looking at the labels.
Yeah,
'cause
that's just, yeah, it doesn't say anything. No, just look at the photo. It looks like it's got,
Okay.
I see it has that part on it,
Uh-huh.
so, and then it has the back part on it, so it looks right.
Yep.
And then grab the Z-axis limit switch.
Okay.
Okay. And it says to grab a 2040, which is a little confusing because I don't know. Are they the same? That's probably why. Let's see. Same height, same holes. Okay, so these are the exact same pieces. So it doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, so I'll give you that.
Okay.
It goes on the very bottom, so we'll loosen. These are already pretty loose.
What, are there nuts already on it?
Yeah, there's already the little nut
Okay.
guys on it. So we're just gonna turn this like so.
That was pretty good fit.
Yeah, and then just find the Allen key, so you're gonna have to tighten those down.
Small one.
It looks smaller than that. Oh, that might be right. Yeah. So turn it, and you can see whether that thing turns or not on the top. So it didn't turn at all.
No? Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
You can see it, like the whole tail's sticking out. Still not turning. Loosen it more, all the way, all the way, all the way. There we go, now it looks all the way.
Okay.
Now, put force and turn slowly. There you go, start to turn. There you go, turn it all the way. You see it, you saw it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do the
Okay.
same to the other side. You tightened it pretty good?
Well, I mean, as far as it'll let me.
Okay. Perfect. Like a glove.
Watch your hand. Okay.
Alright. Okay, so that's on, and then the Z-axis limit switch. Did you grab that?
This?
That looks right.
Well, it's not this one, so.
Yeah. So this one you're gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna. It doesn't exactly say how high to put it on, so I'm just gonna stack it right on top. Cool. That side's in. Why are you doing that way? Why would you just do the long way?
I'm just trying, because this little nozzle part is,
Oh, it's hard to get to?
yeah. Especially when I hold it, oh god, I can't even see it.
Yeah, you were in.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
so loosen it again now, because you tightened a little. Loosen, you're in, yeah. So now just tighten it.
And that nugget?
I don't know. Yeah, you're in, so now just push tight all the way, all the way.
It's tight though.
Cool.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so that step is done. Now it says to take the base, so we'll put this off to the side for now.
Okay.
Just take the other 2040. And then take. Look what they called it.
We need some cheese head. That's what we need.
Why would they?
I like the name. What,
It's the 40s.
okay, so these ones.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Stickers. They're
So,
labeled.
Yeah. But on the. Unless there's something I'm not familiar with screws, they named the long screws cheese heads.
Cheese heads.
So we need 4 cheese heads, please.
What
That's
you know
adorable.
you know what state they're like super like
Yeah, it's Green Bay Packers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so then if you look at this, it shows that the motor side is on this side, and then the other side is on the other side. And so you're just gonna put the holes through and screw into the base.
Okay.
I need the biggest one, it looks like, for the cheese heads.
Cheese head. I like it.
I know, it's so silly. It's like, they're like, what do we call these? Like, I don't know, man, I call it cheese head. I would loosen the one that you tighten all the way because sometimes they have not enough room, so usually get both in loosely, then you can tighten them in. You feel
Where's your screw? Did you move it?
I got you, cheesehead.
There we go.
To be fair, before 3D printing, like, I've never used so many Allen keys in my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Luckily, I know what kind of. I mean, just because my dad.
As long as the wheels are like kind of there, just bang it. Literally like bang this part. No. The wheels, yeah, you got the wheels lined up now. Yep. So push.
Into that slot?
Mm-hmm. Watch out. There. What? You doing? All you do is let go and it went right in. Literally the second you let go, it dropped in. Yeah, you're good. That's it. They're in.
Okay.
I don't know what you did.
Like
they won't go.
I just
let go.
felt like it was
Alright.
like there was some friction there. I didn't.
Okay. It's weird. Hold on. Did you put it in crooked? See, that looks straight. That looks straight.
I hope not. These sides fit in perfectly, so that's what's.
It's really weird.
Confusing there. I don't feel like we should bend the top frame.
Yeah, like a little bit, but. That's bizarre.
They not line up.
The only thing I can think of is that the bottom frame is actually not fully straight. Let me see this. Yeah, it's gotta be what it is. So I literally just have to do some force. Hold on. But I'm gonna be forcing this in, and you're gonna be screwing it in.
Alright.
So you do the screws, and I'm gonna push the aluminum.
Good?
Yeah.
No, wrong one. This is.
Get the other one. Try to get the other one in, the other screw. Just right in here. Is it in?
Yep.
Okay, I'm letting go. I feel like I can see light shining through it. Well, I can't see light shining through the other one.
This one right here.
That one looks fine. The other one looks a little bit up, but it's probably fine. We're gonna put this decoration on it next, so it'll cover it. That's the next step, is put decoration on.
Okay.
And then on this one, it says that you need the button heads.
Button heads!
Yeah. So I'll let go of this. I'll let you hold it so you can do it. It's not.
Anyway.
Yeah. Do you want me to hold it? Or do you want to do it?
You got the.
No. Well, you do it here.
Oh.
You gotta seal the deal or finish it.
Fine. I will finish
This
it.
is like you're mounting on the.
There. Nope. Yes.
Just make sure that the plug says X. Is that the X cable? Yep.
X one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And
What does that next one say?
E motor.
So that's the extruder motor. So that's the one right beside it.
Okay.
Cool.
Yep.
And then that little plug should probably be for the sensor, right?
This one.
Oh, is it? What does it say?
E switch.
No, so that's going to be for the sensor that you were just touching.
Where?
The filament sensor?
Up there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like backwards now. Yes.
Okay. And then so you got this cable, and this guy is that it as far? It looks like it. I would say feed it. Yeah, probably on the front, just like that.
Is there any way it goes like up and around, or just?
No, I would say just like that. Looks like it's a split, so that's probably how it's supposed to go. Alright, and then you've got this one, which, so the next two are right there. So it's the Z motor and the Z end stop. I think that's it. Let's plug it in. Moment of truth. Was there? Oh, let's plug it in behind us. Actually,
Should we flip it?
yeah, I don't think I'll have enough like space otherwise, so turn it around. Wait, what does that say? Warning, power input 110 volts. That's fine, we have that. Alright, I will plug it in zero and let you plug it in the printer.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
Other way.
There we go, guys. We got it. Okay.
Alright, and there's a switch on this side. Let me slid up. It says 3D printer.
It's working!
Cool. Let's go to the other side now so we can check it out. And then go to prepare. And then go to auto home. Explodes. Ah, my face!
It's the moneymaker.
I know. That's all I got.
Touching the clips though, yeah?
Yeah, it means that we need to lower it more. Okay, and then on your side, tighten those springs more. So we'll bring this forward. Tighten those, righty tighty. That's lefty loosey. You're making it looser.
Maybe that's why.
That's probably why.
I'm all two at one time. Okay.
I would say.
More?
Oh, that's actually it's scraping. Yeah, a little bit more.
More tighter?
Yeah, definitely tighter. Wait, you're going left again.
It feels like it's.
No, it's not.
It feels like I'm going left now.
That looks good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, so you take this piece of paper, okay, and then you're gonna push down on the bed and shove the piece of paper under the nozzle like that. And so then with one hand, you want to slide this back and forth. So do that. Okay. Do you feel the nozzle? No, right? Not really.
No.
Okay, so now you want to loosen it until you start feeling the nozzle on the paper.
Feels right to me, isn't? This is weird.
It's a little bit too close to the nozzle now. So, wait, actually, no, wait, it might not be actually. It's that, hold on. There's that thing in the way. That's pretty freaking close. Yeah, I'd say that's, no, wait. Let go? No, that's good. Yeah, now do the other side. So just grab the head and slide it over, and I'll switch you spots.
Yeah.
You see? Feels pretty good. Yeah, feels good. Okay, so now you get to load filament. You're getting really close here. Okay, let me turn this on. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn to the right. Yay. Turn it to like 100. Okay. Now, while it's doing that, actually I'll have you preheat it and then we'll go get some filament. Did it not come with a memory card at all? Was there...
Not that,
it's probably in here.
Is that what that is? Look
Yeah,
at
this
the power
looks like a flash drive. Neato. Okay, so press the button. No, we're gonna preheat it. So go the topmost thing will take you back,
Okay.
and then go to topmost thing again, and then scroll down. Preheat PLA, and then just preheat PLA. Okay, so now it's preheating both the hot end and the nozzle, so definitely don't touch the nozzle at this point because it's starting to climb in temperature. Go ahead and put this in the slot. It might be upside down. A lot of times they install them upside down. So what is there? There's the hell's a YF20? I guess that's the only thing on here, so we'll print that and hope for greatness. Alright, well, it's doing things.
Alright.
So let's see once it starts. Grab the purple ooze that's coming out of it. Don't touch the nozzle though, so just grab that, yeah.
Is it okay?
I don't know, we'll see. I've never printed before. You're the expert, baby.
The glob.
It looks... Oh, is it really just a cube? It might just be a cube. So it looks like it's a little bit too close, so we'll go tighten... I'm just going to turn each side a hair. Does it look like it's printing or no? Is it just pressing into it?
No, it's printing.
Well, we will definitely do some test printing on this and then follow up with another video just kind of showing off what the quality is like on this. But right now we've got Erin's first print, which is a super exciting 20 by 20 cube that is looking absolutely flawless. So that is exciting, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys want to see more Erin, let us know in the comments down below. That's the only way I can probably convince her to show up on the video.
It's probably the only way that
if you guys say anything. So, anyways,
I look forward to your comments.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video,
Thank
and we will
you.
see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.